I'm diving into the hidden secrets of Shani Shignapur, and I'm challenging myself to uncover all the mysteries that this place has to offer. In this video, you will uncover the hidden secrets of Shani Shignapur, a village steeped in mystery and devotion to Lord Shani. Many people are unaware of the fascinating stories and beliefs surrounding Shani Shignapur, which makes it an intriguing destination for pilgrims and tourists alike. Shani Shignapur is a village in Maharashtra, India, that has been dedicated to the worship of Lord Shani, the god of time and karma. The village has a rich history and mythology that is woven into the fabric of its culture. For centuries, people have been drawn to this place, seeking blessings and solace from the mighty Lord Shani. The village is home to one of the most revered Shani temples in India, and its mystique is palpable as soon as you step into its sacred precincts. Despite its popularity, there's still an air of mystery surrounding Shani Shignapur, and it's this enigma that I aim to unravel today. The villagers here have an unwavering faith in Lord Shani, and it's this devotion that has given rise to some unique traditions and customs. One of the most striking aspects of Shani Shignapur is its Dolis houses, a phenomenon that has sparked both curiosity and awe in visitors. The story behind this unusual practice is steeped in myth and legend, and it's a testament to the power of faith in shaping daily life. Explore the unique traditions, the significance of the Shani temple, and the beliefs that lead to the village's Dolis houses, highlighting real-life experiences of devotees. The Shani temple is the epicenter of the village, and it's here that you can witness the raw power of devotion. The temple is a magnificent structure that exudes an aura of tranquility, and its intricate carvings and sculptures are a testament to the skill of ancient craftsmen. As I walked through the temple precincts, I was struck by the sense of calm that pervades the atmosphere, a feeling that's hard to put into words. The villagers believe that Lord Shani is a benevolent deity who listens to their prayers and grants their wishes, and it's this faith that has given rise to some remarkable stories of redemption and transformation. One such story is that of a local farmer who was struggling to make ends meet. He was on the verge of giving up when he had a vision of Lord Shani in his dreams. The next morning, he decided to visit the Shani temple and offer his prayers. To his astonishment, his crops began to flourish, and his fortunes changed overnight. This story is just one of many that I've heard during my visit, and it's a testament to the enduring power of faith in Shani Shignapur. The villagers here have a deep understanding of the mystical forces that govern their lives, and it's this awareness that sets them apart from the rest of the world. They believe that Lord Shani is a just deity who metes out punishment to those who have erred, but also bestows his blessings on those who have lived a virtuous life. This philosophy is reflected in their daily lives, where they strive to live in harmony with nature and the universe. Reveal an astonishing secret or little-known fact about Lord Shani or the village that will leave viewers in awe and deepen their understanding of this spiritual place. One of the most astounding facts about Shani Shignapur is that it's a village that's been free from crime and theft for centuries. Yes, you heard that right. Despite being a popular pilgrimage site, the village has an incredibly low crime rate, and this is attributed to the blessings of Lord Shani. The villagers believe that the deity's watchful eye keeps miscreants at bay, and it's this faith that has created a sense of community and trust that's hard to find elsewhere. This phenomenon is often cited as one of the most remarkable aspects of Shani Shignapur, and it's a testament to the power of collective faith and devotion. As I delved deeper into the village's history, I discovered that this phenomenon can be traced back to the time of the Maratha Empire, when the village was a major center of trade and commerce. The villagers believe that Lord Shani protected their village from invaders and plagues, and it's this historical significance that has given rise to the legend of the crime-free village. Another fascinating aspect of Shani Shignapur is its connection to astrology and the movements of the stars. The villagers believe that Lord Shani's influence extends far beyond the village, and that his power can be felt across the cosmos. This belief is reflected in the intricate rituals and ceremonies that are performed at the Shani temple, where devotees offer prayers and sacrifices to appease the deity. As I explored the village and its many secrets, I began to realize that Shani Shignapur is more than just a pilgrimage site, it's a microcosm of the human experience. It's a place where faith and devotion intersect with the mundane, creating a unique cultural landscape that's both fascinating and enlightening. Summarize the key insights shared in the video, emphasizing the powerful connection between faith and daily life in Shani Shignapur. Today, I've taken you on a journey through the hidden secrets of Shani Shignapur, a village that's steeped in mystery and devotion. From its Dolly's houses to its crime-free streets, this village is a testament to the power of faith and community, where the sacred and the mundane blend seamlessly together. Encourage viewers to comment on their thoughts about Shani Shignapur and to check out your other videos on spiritual destinations. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts about Shani Shignapur. Have you ever visited this incredible village, or is it on your bucket list? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in exploring more spiritual destinations, be sure to check out my other videos, where I take you on a journey through the hidden secrets of India's most fascinating pilgrimage sites.